Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and we've got a little mini range haul for you today. We've got two paintings to show you. Now remember that I said in the click and collect I totally forgot that some of the paintings, not all of them, are randomly selected, so you don't know which one you get, and it's out of two designs. So I went back the other day and exchanged it, so I'll show you the exchanged one after this one. But this was the little bear that I kept debating on. I kept looking at it and then I thought, oh, it looks a bit too like babyish, but then I thought, well, it's £3, I could always like do it, and then if I don't like it, sell it on, you know. But I just thought, let's give it a go, see what it looks like. The other thing which was putting me off is because, as you can see, this area here where the mouth is, and then the bear here, this has got most of the detail. You've got the eyes, nose, this. This just doesn't look like anything. I mean, there's no mouth on it. You've just got the eyes and the nose. I mean, it just looks so like a, I don't know, it just looks so pushed in and clumped. I mean, I think I can just about see the foot there, but it just, I don't know. But for £3 you can't really go wrong. This is from that lovely company Art Studio. I don't believe this one comes with a frame, so we'll have to wait and see what we got. But these ones, some come with frames, some don't, and these ones have the little brackets on, so we can always put it up if we need to. But I probably will make this, yeah, I mean, as you can see, that's what it looks like. But I don't know what I'll do with this yet. Probably make it up, sell it. Oh, bags, yes. But see, that's a little bit better. Yeah, see, look, they make it look so sort of clumped, but then when you get it, it's a lot more detailed. That looks a lot better, actually. We've got lovely blues going on in that. Let's get it open and get into our package. So yeah, fantastic. So yeah, I love how cheap they are. They're so cheap. I mean, if there was like 7 different designs, probably cost me only about £15. It's just really, really lovely. So 3, 6, 9, you can get 3 for a tenner. Pretty good. So I think I've got every painting they've got on the shelf now. I need to work on the bigger ones now, like the horse, the glow-in-the-dark elephant. I still want to get that, but just the fact of like I'm gonna have to carry it home because it's so big. But as you can see, oh yeah, it's one of them ones where they wrap it around the edge. This really aggravates me because, as you can see, it just, I don't understand why they do that. It's really annoying, but the stick is perfect. But this is what it's, I'll have to trim this up, but this is what it's looking like. I love this teal blue. This is like a teal colour going around here. You've got various different shades of blue. This is obviously a girl bear because she's got like a tiara on there. And then obviously that's her little baby bear there. I think this is supposed to be like, you can see like a stitch mark there. And then you've got like some flowers and a star. It's a really cute little painting, isn't it? Really, really lovely. I don't do very many bears, so it's nice to get like a bear again. So on the back here, it is one of your wooden ones, as you can see. You've got your Shemetic down the side there as well. Probably a 20x20 as well. So let's put that to there. Now, let's get into the bag. As you can see, the bag of baggies. So if you do want a lot of bags, your probably best bet is to get these, because people have said that you can order them like big batches of bags on Temu. I don't see the point in ordering that if I can get them with like a picture and the boat and all that. So yeah, I don't know why I'm opening that. We don't need to open that yet, but they're your little hooks and stuff. So put that to one side, and of course we've got our drills. So let's have a look into this. Wow. So this, you have got a, normally this is a bit naughty because normally they put that coding on the back of here. In this case, they haven't done that. On some you can get, just see if I've got one. Yeah, nah, Statue of Liberty won't. Let's get my flamingo. Oh, dearie me. Right. So, for example, this is a flamingo I got some time ago, and I totally forgot to do it for Valentine's. But as you can see on the back here, that's your coding. So, for some reason, this one doesn't do that. but it doesn't matter. You just got to make sure that you keep this with the painting or you'll lose it. So this has got a sort of grey colour with 2 whites in it. We've got a white there, a couple of peaches, I love that one there. We've got a brown, a blue, a sort of teal blue, a light blue, mouldy blue, a dark blue, a minty blue, a pink, another pink, and a beige. What a lovely, lovely canvas. Now, I'm super excited to show you this. Now, it was a hard choice. I had to choose something to get an exchange. And I went for this. I could not believe they had this. You know my love for Scalasilver's. Well, we're bringing back their candy crystal, yes. I think these are called sugar candy skulls, but they had this. Where the pumpkin was on the top, they had that behind. And I was like, no way. I did not see that the first time round, and I was just fell in love with it. I was trying to look for something, because when you exchange an item, it has to be the same cost as the item that you bought, because otherwise you'll find that you have to pay even more or add to it. So I tried to find one that was in the $2.99 and took the pumpkin back, because I've already got the pumpkin in that click and collect, and I said, could I exchange it for this? You need to keep your receipt, because when you exchange an item, they have to scan the receipt, and there's like a barcode on there that matches, I suppose, the painting or their coding system on the till, so they can put it through as an exchange. So yeah, I didn't have to pay for this, which was lovely. So let's get into it. It's from that Haunted Hallows. This company, I think I mean, it says Haunted Hallows, so I don't know if it's like a third party or something, but this company is bringing out really lovely stuff. The amount of stuff they bring out is just so lovely. And I recently did another come shop with me at the range, and they've took all the Halloween section away that was round the corner where I normally get my labels from. So that's all now Christmas. Now, I have seen some Christmas key rings coming out on the website. If you look on there, there's like a Santa key ring, but there's nothing, there's like no sort of key ring there at the moment. I suppose they're still putting stock out and stuff. So let's get into the, oh, we've got shiny jewels in this one, yeah. And let's get into this. And this is your how to create. So if you're new to diamond painting, that just tells you how to, you know, use it. You get obviously the pencil, the pen to pick it up. Just look at the colours. This is going to be lovely. And then obviously you put it in the wax to help pick up the jewel and stuff. But this is the painting, guys. Oh yes, look at that. I don't think we've had a candy skull with a black background before, so that's going to be lovely. What's interesting is, this is very, very interesting. On there it looks white, however, this is literally all pink. So you know them little candy sweets that you can get? They're like a white and pink chocolate, and they're in the shape of a skull. It's going to be like that, but can you just see how nice that's going to look with a black background, and the white frame just finishes it off. Now, this will be very similar. I think it's on the channel somewhere. I did a shorts video of another candy skull that I worked on, and yeah, this is going to be fabulous. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love skulls. I don't know why, I just love skulls. So we got our bag again. This one doesn't come with bags. So yeah, we have to play like a guessing game to see whether they come with bags or not. Because you never know. And these ones are really big drills. These are lovely. So we've got this one here. We've got 2 packs of them. We've got a whitey sort, a small black drill. We've got a silver and a pink, a very hot pink there, very nice, and an amber, orange. That's like a yellowy colour, a minty blue, another blue, this very gorgeous, vibrant green there. Always reminds me of the Emerald City from Wizard of Oz. You know, when they knock on that big green door. Yeah, I love that scene. And then we've got the red and this gorgeous sort of rosy pink colour. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be all pink, because up there on the box, you can see here that that's pink. And then the rest is white. So yeah, wow. Can't wait to get into that. I think that's going to be stunning. So that's my little unboxing. So once again, we have the skull and we have the little bear. As I say, if you don't like a painting, you know, make sure you keep your receipt. You can always take it back. You can choose either for refund or you can exchange it. So yeah, I took it the pumpkin back and got this one in replacement of it. So very, very lovely, absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to do it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I think we're going to be pretty busy for Halloween because we've got so many Halloween ones to get through now. But I think it's been a lot more busier this year than it did last year. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.